Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are doing awesome. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix weird formatting issues in Microsoft Word, whether it's spacing, font or layout problems. Let's get started. First, you have to open your Microsoft Word. Here you can simply open your document. For this, easiest fix is to select the messed up text. Suppose this is the messed up text and go to the home tab over here and you can simply select clear all formatting. It's the little eraser icon. As you can see, it is over here. If spacing looks off, click the line and paragraph over here and you can simply select one of these and it will automatically change it. If your font looks inconsistent, then simply select Command A or Ctrl A, that is Control A, and you can simply select all your text and change the font size. Still seeing issue? After you have done all this and still you are seeing some issues, go to Format and you can simply tap on paragraph and check for extra spacing before or after paragraph. And if you copy text from web, always use edit, paste and match style to avoid dragging weird formatting. And that's how you can clean up formatting fast in Word. Simple and stress free. If this video helped you out, be sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have got any questions and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in the next one.